Hey guys, thanks for coming with us as we explore the Lost River Cave. We're going to go on a boat tour here in just a little bit. They ask you to get there 30 minutes to an hour ahead of time. So that's what we're doing. We're just exploring around the office and gift shop. Straight ahead is the gift shop. Then to the left there is the gym, mining for children, that kind of thing. Just a lot of cool artwork around. There's a nature explorer park that you're going to see next. But this area, it has 2.5 miles of trails, and it's a 72-acre park, and it has a historic cave that we're going to go into. You have a tour guide that walks you to the area and gives you history as you go. Then once you're in the cave, he gives you more of the ecological side of it, which is wonderful. And there's lots of history around it too. So this is in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I really appreciate you coming with us today. If you're in the area, I would definitely check it out. Wonder what that bird is.
We've been here before, on the porch outside the back door, contemplating, hesitating, not sure what to do or say. Dark winter's evenings are never the best. Too much time to spend at rest. It just takes one word to spoil it all. On the porch outside the back door, our memories pass us by. On the porch outside the back door, we try our best to survive.
Alrighty folks, we're going to continue along our scenic love trail through here. Back during the nightclub era, you come out here late at night and it was said to be really romantic through here. Now, there's even a legend back in the day that what you're supposed to do is stand next to the river, stare into it, alright, the current is supposed to calm down, and in the reflection of the water, you're supposed to see your future spouse standing next to you in the reflection of the water, okay? Now, just a piece of advice. I hope you really like who you're standing next to. Yeah.
That's so cool. Can you imagine coming down here for that dance hall and getting drunk and then go back up the steps?
Alright. Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Y'all can't touch this one, right? Touch it with your hands, not with that.
Dave, now that we're face to face with it, how are we feeling?
Woo!
Everybody good?
Yeah.
Alright, now you're going to have to duck down like you're tying your shoes. Alright, but we like to call this our wishing rod. Okay? Now, do not get too excited. It's not going to grant you any wishes today. If you don't duck your head, you're going to really wish you did. Alright? If you guys don't mind, duck down to the center of the boat. We'll start making what we like to call the inside. We're going to stay at this volume. And if you can't hear me, just tell me to be louder. I'm probably a little bit too loud. Can you still hear me now?
Yeah.
All right. Now, that is a flow stone, okay? Water from above ground dissolves the limestone, and it picks up that calcite. Now, that calcite actually comes down here, and it deposits itself. It deposited that limestone, or that calcite. Then we've got these long strips of cave bacon right here. I wish I was joking about that. That is a scientific name for them. I think people might have just been hungry. All right, they're coming down here, seeing popcorn, bacon, a lot of other things like that, because they look like little popcorn kernels. So, yeah, all kinds of stuff. Now we got a fat ceiling hanging around up there. You can imagine our stalactites, anything that we were. And now I get to tell you guys about some of the cave creatures down here. We've got a lot of them. Footprints in the mud through there. That's actually because we dropped the river the other day for spring training. We went to clear out the river.
How great that sounded. Yeah, that would have sounded great. Yeah, what does it look like? Usually down there, it's like, okay. It's cool. Oh, that's funny. A physician in the area in Bowling was taken by it. Reported to his wife who was taken in the cave by a man named Jesse James to treat the sick and injured. I'm like, oh. Just kidding. Cool. We can go if you guys want.